Hi, ladies. Katie Graham, your homemade method coach and registered dietitian here to hop in and congratulate everyone on cooking and eating healthy with us over this past month. Now, in August, we focused on recipes to help target those high blood pressure numbers, to help get them lower down. We also had an excellent event with dietitian Stephanie, Bye Bye High Blood Pressure and live Q&A. Really great event. So if you haven't had a chance to watch that one yet, check your inbox for that email or look in the feature tab of the members only Facebook page and hop on that. It's a great event. She goes over a ton of information. And like I said, at the very end, there's a live Q&A to where we answer some great questions that seem to pop up pretty regularly, either in the members only group or via emails as well. Now, the reason I'm here today is to fill in for Anna while she's feeling a little bit sick and announce our winners for the month for our giveaway. Now, during the month of August, we had a participation giveaway. So all month long, we were looking around at your posts, at your stories, at your pictures of your food, your families, whatever you were sharing with us to see who was participating with us over the month. And we have picked two winners. One winner is a newer member that just came right out of the gates and was doing an excellent job. And the other winner's been with us for a little while. Now, our winners today get to choose between a $50 Amazon gift card or one free month of membership. And ladies, I'll be in touch with you later today so we can get that prize to you. Drum roll, please. Our winners are Lisa Negrady. Now, Lisa is one of our newer members, but like I said, she really just hit the nail on the head and really dove into the program, making program recipes, as you can see here, and also freestyling a little bit along the way. One thing that I really loved about a lot of Lisa's posts and what I saw from her in the members group this month was that she was hopping right in and helping other members already as a new member herself. She was in there helping support Barbara. They were doing some accountability together as far as fitness, which is just another facet of our healthy lifestyle that we're creating here. Lisa also went on a great sister's vacation. How fabulous does that sound? And she just had a wonderful time. She's proud that she did the best she could with the food choices that she had available. She said she could honestly say this is the first time that food was not even close to being a major event on vacation. And she came home with a sigh of relief. She got her groceries on her way home and started cooking up healthy recipes once again. And why did she do this, ladies? She said she's feeling so much better. She's feeling better physically and mentally eating this way. Her sleep is better, her energy's better, her mood is better, and she believes that this is one of the reasons she had such a good carefree vacation because of the homemade method program. So congratulations, Lisa. Thank you so much for participating this month and doing an excellent job in cheering your other fellow members along. Our second winner for the month is Miss Byrne Richards. Byrne has been a member with us for a while now. And again, she has done an excellent job of posting some delicious looking meals throughout the month. We've got our carrot oats, the carrot cake oats there, a salmon dish, some more oatmeal, and just like Lisa did, Byrne is jumping in and helping other members. She did not hesitate to help Melissa, who is needing a little support and encouragement, telling her to not get overwhelmed in this lifestyle change. You have a bunch of healthy people relying on you for your healthy habits in your home. You're a great example, and slow and steady is your best friend through all of us. Byrne also had one day where she was just kind of looking around. She shared the story with us. She wasn't sure what she was going to make for supper, but she used a couple of ingredients she had on hand to make this lovely salad. And she said she's back on track and ready to tackle tomorrow. She didn't let that question when we look into the refrigerator, what's for dinner, right? She didn't let that tear her down, throw her off track. She looked at what she had on hand and created a healthy meal, and her clothes are fitting better, and people are starting to notice this. How often do they say when we do something that we change with our health, with our habits, one of the first things is that you notice, the second thing is that people around you notice, and then strangers notice. Well, strangers, people that she's seeing on the street, friends even, are noticing that she's losing that weight. So congratulations, Byrne. and Lisa. You've both done an excellent job this month, and congratulations to everyone that participated. You're all doing the work, you're cooking the recipes, you're eating these beautiful, delicious, and bountiful meals, and you're listening to your body for those cues of hunger and satiety. Keep it up. We've got another excellent month of recipes coming up where we'll be focusing on lowering cholesterol. We'll have another excellent event from dietitian Stephanie all about lowering those numbers, raising that good cholesterol, and we have a very special giveaway lined up for you as well. So keep an eye on your inbox, keep up the great work, and just reach out if you need anything in the meantime. We are here for you. Have a lovely day, ladies.